Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can set up a discount or coupon code for customers. Right now, I'm in the Shopify dashboard here. This is for a demo store. Once you're on this dashboard, you simply click on the discounts option from the left sidebar. Once you click that, it's going to open up the discount page. This is going to show you existing discounts. To create a new discount, click on the Create Discount button over here. It's going to open up a menu here to select the discount type. You can do things such as amount off a product, amount off order, or free shipping. I'm going to select the amount of an order here. It's going to give you quite a few options when creating this discount. You can do things such as a regular discount code or an automatic discount, or I'm going to do a discount code. I'm going to say Welcome New, as I want to give new customers a discount on their first purchase. In discount value, we have two options, percentage and fixed amount. Rather than a fixed amount, I'm going to put a percentage, so let's say 10%. In minimum purchase requirements, I'm going to leave this empty here for the minimum purchase requirement, but if you want, you can set it to minimum purchase or minimum quantity of items. In customer eligibility, instead of all customers, I'm going to select specific customer segments. Shopify is going to have quite a few pre-built ones here. I'm going to click on Browse. It's going to be located right here, customers who haven't purchased. There's also the ability to select who haven't purchased more than once, or they have made their checkout in the last 30 days. But for the purposes of this video, it's going to be for customers who haven't purchased it yet. I'm going to add this segment in. Maximum discount uses. You can also limit the amount of times a customer can use this. It's going to click on Limit to 1 use per customer. In combination, I'm going to leave this one unchecked. If you want, you can select any of this just like that. And in active dates, just leave this one unchecked as well. Once you have done everything, hit the Save button. And the discount should be saved, and it is now ready to go. Only applying for customers who are completing their first order. If I go back to the discount page, I can see my Welcome New for 10% off for the entire order for customers who haven't purchased yet. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video was helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. We'll catch you in the next one.